Namaste, friends. I'm Dr. Kirti Kanutia. Welcome to Toshni Institute. Today, we'll be working on overthinking detox. Clear your mind and find peace within. So, take a comfortable position and relax. You can sit, you can lie down, but make sure that you're absolutely relaxed. Focus completely being into now, being into the present moment. Focus on your breaths and allow yourself to be into the moment of now. Being into now moment is a bliss for a person. Focus on your breaths. Get aware. Be into the present moment and be into the moment of now. Let's gently release the reason of overthinking, the pleasure of overthinking, and all the roots of overthinking. Take a deep breath. Breathe in and blow out. Allow your body to relax. Allow your shoulders to relax. Breathe into your jaw and allow your jaws to relax. Allow your throat to relax. Allow your brain, allow your neck, and allow your spine to relax. Keep breathing. Keep breathing into the moment of your being into now. Keep relaxing. With each and every breath you're taking, feel that you're so safe. It is absolutely safe to be into now moment and let go. Let go of the thoughts, let go of the overthinking. Free yourself from the need to fix, the need to solve, need to control, or need to get fearful towards your future, or always thinking about your past. Just breathe. You don't have to do anything, just breathe and relax. Allow your mind to relax, and while relaxing, when you feel there's so much thought, and with each and every thought, that when you're multiplying it through your overthinking, you're just leaking your energy. You're wasting your energy with this. It is not productive. Get aware how you're leaking your energy and allow yourself to relax. All the thoughts that you feel is bothering you, whether it is related to past or whether it is related to future. Just feel the thoughts and let it go. Let it float away. They will drift away. Release it out. You don't have to bother yourself. You don't have to follow those thoughts. Just relax. Just be. Just observe where you're leaking your energy. Bring yourself back from the past and stop thinking about the future. Keep relaxing. Allow the thoughts to go. And with each and every breath, practice being into now moment. Feel your breaths. The more you feel your breaths, the more you're into your physical body. And the more you're into your physical body, more you will be into the moment of now. So just relax and be into the moment of now. Keep breathing and allow your mind to rest now. Allow your mind to feel the trust. Allow it to relax. Keep relaxing your mind with each and every breath and let go. Any worries about the future, let go all the trap of the past and be into the now moment. Allow your mind, allow your body to relax. Just relax. Keep relaxing. And while relaxing, gently remind yourself that you're safe. It is absolutely safe to let go. It is absolutely safe to feel peace within. Allow your mind to become calmer and allow your thoughts to clear. Get aware that you trust the process of the life. Allow yourself to flow with the process, being into now, being into the current moment completely. Feel the words of being peaceful. Feel the words of being calmer and allow this to get synced into your mind, body, and soul with each and every breath you're taking now. You are safe. Your mind is absolutely going with the flow. There is trust towards the process of the life. Slowly, with each and every breath, allow these thoughts, the thought of calmness, the moment of being to spread. And the more you're spreading the energy of being into now, wash away all the thoughts that is not serving you or that is leaking your energy. It's over. It ends now. With each and every breath you take now, you are getting clear, absolutely clear in your thoughts. Feel the soothing energy within you and allow your mind to relax, to take rest. Allow the awareness to be there and to guide you. And one more time, say to yourself, I am not here to fix, I am not here to solve. Rather, I choose being. I choose being calm. I choose being in present moment. I am free. I am free from the trap of the past, and I am free from the worries of the future. I free myself completely. Keep feeling this, the power of being into now moment, and allow your mind to relax. Allow your body to relax. Allow your soul to shine and to guide you. Keep feeling this as much as possible. Keep breathing into your body. Allow this peace, this calmness, this awareness to be your reality. Keep breathing. I'm safe. I trust the process of the life. I'm divinely guided and protected. Take your time, and when you feel right, only then bring back your awareness into the room and open your eyes. See you again. Be happy, be safe, and take care.